What's wrong? You looking cute. What? What's wrong? Ew, stinky feet. Let me smell. Ew, stinky. Let them smell. Smell his feet, yo. Oh, stinky. They stink. You got a fat foot. You got a fat foot. Where you from? Oh, sorry. Okay, put it on. Come on.
Pokemon.
Come on, put it on.
Pokemon.
Put it on. Put it on. Put your hand.
Pokemon. Pokemon.
You looking cute, man. Look at you. You fly.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Huh?
Pokemon. Who's Pokemon?
Huh?
You want to watch Pokemon?
Yeah?
You ready? You ready to go to Grandma's?
Nope.
No. Let me see. Let me see your fit. Let me see your clothes. Dang, you qué bonito. Vámonos pues. Let's go.
Papa.
It's raining. Ponete el gorro. Ponete el hat. Ponete el hat. Put your hat on.
Huh?
Let's go. Hey, give me your hand. It's raining. This weather's all ugly, man. Rain ugly? Say rain is ugly. Why it gotta rain? Why it gotta rain? Can't even go run, man. Can't do nothing in this weather. Unless I go to the gym, but I don't like going to the gym, so. Say hi. You ready to go to mommy?
Yeah.
Let's go! Damn, I'm more excited, son. Really, I'm not, because it's not even sunny. It's all rainy. But let's go. Hey, listen to this throwback, though.
Condo paid for, no car payment. Like my arena, no for the cleaning. The daughter's tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Face it like guilty. That's how I stay true.
Yeah, I like that. We went back to the 90s. Yeah. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Alright, let's go, man. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, should we honk at the mailman? Or not? Yeah or not? Yeah or not? Oh, we bad, yo. Chill out, guys. Chill out. Why you honking, man? Chill out, man. Who do you want? Who do you want? No, say I want who? Who do you want? Mommy who? Mommy who? Mommy who?
Come on.
Oh, come, let's go then. Who do you want? You were saying I want Kimberly. You were saying I want Kimberly. Oh, okay. She's working, Papi. She's working. Mommy's working. We're gonna go see Mommy Silvia. We're gonna go see Mommy Silvia. Imita. Oh, you mean? You bad. You don't want to see your grandma. You're bad. Why? You can talk, Papi. You can talk. That's cool, man. For some of you guys, you probably like, whatever, but bro, like, serious, my son can talk. Like, he understands me. Like, dog, that's about the coolest thing ever, bro. Right? Yeah, see? You guys don't understand when you guys, well, some of you guys already have kids, but for the other people that don't got kids, and when your kid starts learning to talk and stuff, it's time, because you got somebody to talk to, you know what I'm saying? Like, even though I want my son, like, a lot, but, like, like sometimes, like at first, I ain't had nobody to talk to, but like I talked to my son and He be throwing me some words and stuff and some little sentences. It's cool, man. Right? Right, Papi?
Yeah.
See? See what I mean? You like talking, Papi?
Good.
¿A quién vamos a ir a ver? ¿A quién vamos a ir a ver? ¿No?
Okay.
No.
Papa.
Let's go. Let's go. It's raining.
Mm.
It's raining. Guys, man, like they have their own barbershop, like their own place to make suits. Bro, this place is high.
Going down.
You need to have braids to come in here. Oh, we found the place. I'm gonna show y'all when we leave though, so you can see what I'm talking about.
Going
Place downtown, and this place exclusive, bro. Like for a barbershop. Come on. Yeah. See, look at that designer, boy. And they got their own food plates here, bro. Huh?
Get it like Belfort. Hating somebody, know what the hell for. They say, get it like Belfort. Hating somebody, know what the hell for. They say, get it like Belfort. Hating somebody, know what the hell for. They say, get it like Belfort. Hating somebody, know what the hell for.
Let me get some tacos. Best tacos in the nap. Yo. I look like a creep over here. Recording this thing. I have a problem. Okay, y'all seen how I just ate tacos, right? Okay, now I'm at Wendy's. That's how I get fat, man. This is how I get fat. This is all y'all fault. All right. Check out the setup, guys. Yo, we got that and the TV hooked up. Yo, set up nice. This is how girls be showering with that hot ass water. You can't even see nothing, G. Straight fog. You can't even see me. You see me? Look, bro, I'm faded. What's up, guys?
I'll be rich as fuck.
Where my lunch
My
break?
baby dad.
I need to go get her. I need to go get a haircut. After work, I'm gonna go get a haircut.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we in break though. Why you looking away, son?
I'm ugly right now. I'm putting on that shit. What supplement life insurance?
Just got done getting a haircut. And I'm putting gas. Right now, it's so cold, man. I've already told him I got a haircut. I just got home, but y'all want to see my hair? You want to see my haircut? Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. I'll cut it really short. It's all good, though. Get the cut. But yeah, I just got home. Timber's watching The Vampire Diary. And I need to take a shower so I can get all these little hairs on my face. Man, look at that lighting. But yeah. Finally, man. Finally, getting haircut. I bet this video gonna be hella short, man. Hey guys, this is where I end my video, right? Yeah? Yeah. So, hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Say bye. Oh, say bye. Alright guys, see you in the other one.